Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about Earth Day. Nowadays we celebrate various days like Labor Day, Children's Day, Health Day and many more. But many people don't know that there is an Earth Day. Yes, there is an Earth Day. In ancient India, over 2000 years ago, at annual public works projects, kings and emperors planted trees along the roads to provide shade for weary travelers. Today, people all over the world are working hard to keep our planet green. Earth Day, which is sometimes called Earth Week, is a time put aside each year to remind us all how important it is to accomplish this goal. What is Earth Day? Many countries around the world celebrate Earth Day. It is a day that is meant to raise awareness and appreciation about the Earth's natural environment. What is the Earth Day flag? The Earth Day flag is an unofficial representation, but it is widely popular. It shows a NASA image on the Earth over a blue background. The first Earth Day was held in the USA. It was founded by United States Senator Gaylord Nelson as an environmental take-in, a sort of general educational forum or seminar. That was on April 22, 1970. Earth Day is now coordinated globally by the Earth Day Network and is celebrated in more than 175 countries every year. Numerous communities celebrate Earth Week, an entire week of activities focused on environmental issues. With COVID-19 causing public health lockdowns around the world, Earth Day, the planet's largest civic event, went entirely digital for the second consecutive time in its history. On every continent, in dozens of languages, humanity celebrated our shared home. We resolved that after the COVID-19 pandemic ended, we would restore our Earth to a cleaner, fairer, better world for everyone. The 51st anniversary of Earth Day. Earth Day 2021 will mark the 51st anniversary of this holiday. Typically, Earth Day is assigned a different theme or area of focus each year. This year's theme is Restore Our Earth. What should we do on Earth Day? We believe that caring for nature, plants, and the land is integral to our own health and that individual responsibility lies with each of us. Whether it is planting trees, picking up litter, buying more earth-friendly products. Earth Day activities and ideas. Celebrate Earth Day by appreciating and respecting the natural world. Here are some ideas to inspire you this year. Support our pollinators. Bring native bees and other pollinating insects to your garden. One way to do this is by selecting the right plants. Clean up plastic on your favorite walk in your neighborhood or local park. One of the best ways to connect with the earth is through cleanups. Go on a walk with a trash bag and help clean up any plastic that you find. Perhaps you know of a nearby ditch that is polluting with trash that needs a spring cleaning. You will start to realize that plastic permeates every aspect of our lives. But as the world wakes up to its addiction, just how easy it is to ditch plastic while growing and storing more of our own food. Don't forget to recycle what plastic you can. Swap out your kitchen and household products. Think 100% recycled products, which is biodegradable without the use of chemicals or plastic. Plant a tree. We love our trees. They capture carbon, cool overheated places, benefit agriculture, support pollinators, reduce the risk of disease transmission, and boost local economies. Did you know that planting one oak tree brings in more insect and bird species than an entire yard of plants combined? Talk to your local government about planting more trees and native garden beds in public spaces, or consider planting your own on your property. Use wildflowers and native species. Wildflower and indigenous species are not only beautiful, but they attract native and beneficial insects, which improve both pest control and pollination for bigger flowers and bigger harvests. See if you can simply add a couple native plants each year, and you will be amazed at the difference as they bring in the pollinators as well as birds. Start an organic vegetable garden. Start an organic vegetable garden. Use recycling and repurposing garden items to make something out of nothing. Organic farming uses fewer pesticides, reduces soil erosion, recycles animal wastes back into the farm, which is good for our earth. Watering wisely in the garden and create your own rain garden. Also, avoid over watering. Know how much water your garden really needs. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.